In the earlier videos, I compared a blank notebook with an Excel workbook and a notebook page with an Excel worksheet. So when we open this blank workbook, we get a blank worksheet. And this worksheet can be used for many record keeping in a single cell or multiple cell. And when we press the left button of the mouse, we select a cell and the cell becomes green. It get the green outline with the border becomes green, and this is an active cell. So this active cell has got a name in the name box. Here this white section is called name box, and it shows the name of the active cell, which is F12. So why this cell name is F12? Because you see this column, F column, the cell is located in this F column under the number row number 12. So that's why the name of this cell is F12. So if we type something, let's type something, and this text also can appear in this white section. This white section is called formula bar, and the reason the text appears here so that the user can modify or manipulate the text typed in the active cell. Like for example, if we want to change the text, we can just type here and the text will appear in the active cell and it will change accordingly. So in a single worksheet, the Excel can contain in total around 1 million rows and around 16,000 columns. So you can imagine how many cells that a single worksheet can contain. And if we want to increase the number of sheets in a single workbook, we can just press this plus button and we get worksheet 2. Again, then we get worksheet 3. So like this, we can increase the number of worksheets in a single workbook. So this is how Excel can contain a numerous and vast amount of data. So that's all for this video. I'm gonna cover more concepts about Excel in the next video. Thank you.